Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda Goldwing Luxury Touring Bike. 1800 cc's. This is the ABS version, which also has navigation, AM/FM stereo, satellite radio, heated grips. Bike is in beautiful condition, only 45,000 miles on this metallic titanium Goldwing. Price to sell at just $16,499. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Smooth as silk. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.